Hello everyone, welcome to MS Sapti Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to hide a mailbox from all address list in Exchange 2019. In an organization, sometime you might need to hide a mailbox from the global address list for some reason. Hiding a recipient from the address list doesn't prevent the recipient from receiving email messages. It prevents users from finding the recipient in the address list. If you hide any mailbox from the address list, the recipient is also hidden from all address list and global address list as well. The procedure to do this is quite straightforward. We can use Exchange Admin Center or the Exchange Management Shell to hide a mailbox from the address list. To start, we need to access the Exchange Admin Center. And for that, I'm going to click on Internet Explorer and type in URL https://localhost/ECP and press Enter key to access Exchange Admin Center. Click on More Information and click on Go on to the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center, we need to click on Recipients section and then we need to click on Mailboxes tab. Click on the mailbox which you want to hide from the address list. In this demo, we will select the Use Mailbox Journal MBX. Let's find that mailbox. We have created this mailbox to receive copy of the recorded message by journaling, and that we have seen in the last video. And that's why we want to hide this mailbox from the all address list and global address list. Let's select the mailbox and click on Edit icon. On the mailbox property page, we need to click on Journal tab and that is selected by default. Here, we just need to select the checkbox in front of Hide from Address List. If we check this box, the user mailbox will be hide from the address list, but they still receive email sent to them. Let's select the checkbox, Hide from the Address List. Click on Save to save the changes. Perfect. To verify this, let's open Outlook on the web. Let's type in URL https://mail.msfpwebcast.com/ova. Let's press Enter key. We are going to use the credential of our user mailbox Anant Panchal. Let's compose a new mail and let's click on To. Click on All Users and let's try to search a user mailbox with the name Journal Mailbox. And as you can see, that mailbox is not listed there. Let's try to search using the name Journal MBX. Click on Search icon and here we can see your search didn't return any results as that mailbox is successfully hidden in the address list. But if you want to send email to that mailbox, you need to know the email address of that specific user, and then after you need to simply type that email address here and you can send the mail. Fine. I'm going to sign out from this and let's jump to Exchange Management Shell. We can use the set-mailbox cmdelete to hide a mailbox from the Exchange address list. Our cmdelete is going to be set-mailbox. Then we need to specify switch-identity. Let's select one user mailbox, for example Sagarsa, which you want to hide. Let's type Sagarsa, which is the name of our user mailbox, and then we need to use switch-hidden from address list, and the value is going to be $true. Fine. So our full cmdelete is going to be set-mailbox-identity Sagarsa-hidden from address list enable, and value is going to be true. Let's press Enter key. Okay, the command is completed successfully. To verify, we will use the get-mailbox cmdelete. Let's edit the cmdelete get-mailbox-identity Sagarsa pipe format list and hidden from address list enabled. Let's press Enter key. From the output of the cmdelete, we can verify that the value is true. That means we have successfully hid a recipient from the address list. And suppose if you want to unhide the recipient from address list, and that time you simply need to change this value from true to false. Okay? You simply need to use the same delete sat-mailbox-identity hidden from address list enabled value with false. Let's press enter key. Let's again run the previous command get-mailbox. And as you can see now, hidden from address list enabled value set to false. That means now this user is not hidden from the address list. So that's all for this video on how to hide a mailbox from address list in Exchange 2019 using Exchange Admin Center and Exchange Management Shell. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.